Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Google Classroom. So, in the last class we discussed the properties of circles and cyclic quadrilaterals, solve some problems and secant and tangent properties. In this class we are going to discuss most important part of scoring in your examination point of view is that is construction. So, in this constructions we can expect one question compulsorily for 4 marks. So it is very easy to construct the tangents also. So in this construction, so the three types of constructions are there. In the first type is construction of tangent to a given circle. So first we have to know how to construct a tangent to a given circle of certain radius. So here construct a tangent of circle, given radius is 4 centimeter. So what is the radius they are given? 4 centimeter. So for this, so you have to use the geometry box properly. If you are not taking proper measurements with proper instruments means, so you will lose the construction and you will lose the marks also. That's why be careful while doing, because it is very easiest part of mathematics for scoring also. So for scoring point of view, so you can easily score 4 marks from this. So if they are given construct a tangent for radius of 4 centimeters, you can take 4 centimeter from your compass and draw one circle. So draw one circle. So draw one circle of 4 centimeter. So where you put this is center. If you join from here to here, you will get OA is equal to 4 centimeter. So we want to draw a tangent. So tangent at non-end means, so here tangent we want to draw means, this I am showing here. So take sum of radius, distance from here to here. You can cut like the arc. The same distance you can cut it. Same distance you can cut it like so. So you can cut like this. So next step is you can easily join. What is meant by tangent? A line segment which touches only one point of the circle. So you can mark this is PAQ is a tangent of circle. First you draw 4 centimeter of circle. Take certain radius in this radius section. So from this cut an arc. Keep with same radius. Don't change what you are taking distance here. So from this point you can cut. Same distance you can cut it here. Cut and join the line. So this is the way of we are constructing tangent at a given point of circle radius. Next type of construction is construct a tangent to a given circle from an exterior point. You know already from an exterior point how many tangents we can at least we can draw tangents to a circle. So only 2 tangents. Only 2 tangents is possible from an exterior point of a circle. So let us check. This is very important also. Last year they are asking this type of construction for 4 marks. So look at the steps. You have to follow the construction. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. First you draw a circle. First you take 3 centimeter from compass using scale. So 3 centimeter. I draw a circle first. So what is the distance between these two? Center to circumference point, that is 3 centimeter exactly is there. You can check. 3 centimeter exactly is there. So this is, you consider the point O or any point C. You can extend. This is 3 centimeter. So where is the external point? Mark a point P at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of circle drawn. So mark, repeat distance 5 centimeter from the center. From the center to here 5 centimeter. P here 5 centimeter. We already draw 3 centimeter. So still how many centimeter we have to add? Just to 2 centimeter. You can extend the line. You can extend the line. Here the point P. 3, this is 2. 3 plus 2, how much? Total 5 centimeter. This is the distance between the external point and center is how much? 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw tangents from this external point to this circle. So for this, so very easy. The first step is, still now you understand what I did. First I construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Mark P, that this distance is 5 centimeter away from the center. So radius is already 3 centimeter. Is next 2 centimeter you can extend means, so you will get P outside point. So for this, you draw perpendicular bisectors. So means what? You can take for OP line more than half. More than half you can take. Cut it. Both up and down. Cut it. Okay. If it is not cut means again you can put, but you have to put same centimeter perpendicular bisectors. So next you join. You join so this point is called M. You can consider M because it bisects the OP line segments. So from this M to O, you can take radius M to O or M to P. So from this, it should be same M to O or M to P. For this, you can draw one circle. It touches. So after touching this, where this is circle 1, this is circle 2. So circle 1 and circle 2 touches. These 2 points you can consider as A and B. So join PA, join PB. Join PA and PB. And OB. So look at here. So from P, I join PA and PB. You can measure it. The 2 tangents are PA and PB. It should be exactly equal to 3.9. 3.9 something you are getting here. Both these 2 tangents are equal in length. So what are the steps? Once again I explain because this is very important construction. So first you have to draw circle of radius 3 centimeter. Mark. Second step is, first step is draw circle. Second step is mark P outside. How much is distance is there. After that you can take bisecting of the line segment. So you'll get midpoint of that line. So from this point to center, you can take radius. So from make it as MS center, cut draw one more circle. That is, this is circle 2. Circle 2 and circle 1 touches A and B points. You can join PA and PB. There are the two tangents. After joining, you can measure the tangents. Then you can easily construct a tangents to an exterior point.